Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on the channel, make sure you don't leave without pressing the subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. So please like. So Red Data updated you today that Duduzi Shabalala proud moment in my career. Kids achieve emergency talent. Duduzi Shabalala has expressed his graduates and astonishing after being named in Bafana Bafana permanent squad for the upcoming international friendly. This selection makes a significant milestone in his building career, reflecting his consistently performance and potential on his field. Duduzi Shabalala viewed this opportunity as a testament to his hard work and dedication, and he believed that being considered for the national team is not only an honor but also a motivation to celebrate his future. The young midfielder is optimistic about the future and is committed to contributing positively to both his club and the national. His aim is to leverage his experience to enhance his skills and understanding of the game, inspiring to make a lasting impact in South African football. Shabalala's inclusion in that permanent squad underscores that potential and talented present in the country youth, signaling a promising future for Bafana Bafana as they prepare for upcoming competitions. Duduzi Shabalala's selection is testament to his growth and development as a player. He acknowledged the challenges he has faced and emphasizing the importance of seizing opportunities to learn and adapt, especially when a competition at higher level of the sports. With his set on making positive impact, Shabalala is poised to take his career to the next level and contribute to the success of both Kaizer Chiefs and Bafana Bafana. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without pressing the subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. And please, rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.